Welcome to my channel. My name is London. Today we are going to be getting into the new Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash, and I did receive this from Influencer. I'm going to be careful not to show my address on the bottom, but this is what the package that it came in. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. But I did receive this to try it out, and I'm super excited because I haven't gotten anything that's like new, and it hasn't come out yet. So this comes out on May 28th, and I wanted to do kind of a first impression, talk about what this is, try it out for you guys. It also came with a fresh soy face cleanser. I have used this a few times. This is probably my third bottle that I've gotten, but this is a super gentle everyday cleanser. It says it's for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes, which is why I like this, because not a lot of cleansers I can use around my eyes because I have really sensitive eyes and I do wear contacts. So a lot of cleansers, if I try to use it around my eyes, it just gets really bad. Oh, and also this smells like cucumbers, so that's another plus. Also, if you were looking for like a good jelly kind of cleanser for your Clarisonic, this is great. It smells so much like fresh cucumbers, but you can kind of see the consistency of this. It's literally like a jelly, and it doesn't really foam up, it doesn't strip your skin, it doesn't feel dry afterwards. But just wanted to give that one a quick little shout out since I have used that one a bit. But this is not the focus of the video, so let's get into this one. So this one is $33. It is 4.2 fluid ounces, so they're almost the same. This one's 5 ounces and this one's 4.2 fluid ounces. And again, I'll have everything in my description box in case you don't quite catch what I'm saying, or if I have anything else to say about this, I'll have all the information in my description box. So the claims for this is it's supposed to be gentle, and it's supposed to be kind of where you can cater it to your own liking. So the more water that you use with this, the less exfoliating it's going to be, and the less water you're going to use, the more exfoliating it's going to be, if that makes sense. But I'll show you guys a clip of this so that you can see what I'm talking about. It's also supposed to be non-drying. It's not supposed to strip your skin like the soy face cleanser, and it's also to help to smooth your skin, refine your pores. And then I'm gonna go over 3 main ingredients of this that I think is kind of interesting. So this has white sugar crystals, and it's supposed to dissolve in water. So that's what I was saying earlier. The more water that you use, the quicker it's going to dissolve the sugar crystals in here, and it's not going to be as exfoliating. But the less water that you use, it's going to be more exfoliating because it's going to take longer for those sugar crystals, I almost said sugar bits, to dissolve. The next thing is strawberry and blackcurrant fruit extract to help to brighten and even out your skin's complexion, give you a nice glow to your skin. And the last thing that I want to talk about is grapeseed oil. So the grapeseed oil is supposed to help with keeping your face hydrated and not stripping a lot of its natural oils away. So let me show you guys what this looks like, because I was a bit curious what this looks like. So if you're familiar with the Fresh brand, they have a sugar scrub. So it looks like the sugar scrub and the soy face cleanser kind of had a baby. So it has that kind of like reddish brown coloring to it, and it's really fine sugar crystals. It's not a hard exfoliator whatsoever. It doesn't have really big grainy bits into the exfoliator, so it's not going to be tearing up your skin, and it's not going to be like super harsh on your skin. Like, I've definitely tried some cleansers where I'm like, holy crap, like the walnut scrubs, those I'm like barely touching my face. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is tearing up my skin. But this one is definitely like really smooth. You can hardly feel the actual exfoliating going on, and it smells really good. It smells sweet and fresh with a little bit of like a citrus in there. It doesn't smell like strawberries though, which I kind of wish it did smell like strawberries. So now I'm going to talk about how to apply this, and I'm going to also show you guys how I'm applying it. Alright, so for applying, we're going to take our Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash, and we're going to first dampen our skin with a little bit of water. I prefer a little bit more of warm water. Then we're going to take a little bit of the Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash, and we're going to start to massage that in with warm water, and you're going to continue to massage this in until the sugar crystals dissolve into your skin. And again, the more water you use, the less exfoliation you're gonna get, and the less water you use, the more exfoliation that you get. And another thing is that you can use this daily. It's gentle enough to be used daily. Now our face is all clean. I'm gonna give you guys some final first impression thoughts. So I just got done with washing my face with the exfoliator for the first time, and first impressions, my face feels really smooth. I don't feel any bumps from my blackheads on my nose or on my forehead. I don't feel any bumps on my chin from any blackheads. I am going to have to use this consistently to see if there's any improvement in my pores, but I'm actually really shocked at actually how hydrated my face feels after using this, because normally, regardless of the cleanser, my skin will feel kind of dry afterwards, but my skin does not. It feels so smooth. Like, I'm running my finger over my skin, and it's like I don't even know how to explain this. And I also think this is really handy because it got off a lot of my self tanner that I was trying out. If you're interested in that video, I'll have it linked in my cards. But I had a couple patchy spots on my face, and my face is kind of red still from the exfoliating, but it doesn't hurt. My face just gets red in general. But I'm really glad I got rid of a lot of those patchy spots that I've been kind of struggling with. So I'm really excited to keep trying this out. Also, another thing, while I was washing my face, you really can feel the sugar crystals dissolving. At first I was like, this is really, it almost feels like a microdermabrasion. Like, how am I going to feel that this is dissolving on my face? And then as I added more water, so what I was doing was I dampened my face and I spread it all around, gave it a quick, good little massage, and then I rinsed my hands off and got a little bit of water, and then started focusing in my problem areas where I get pores, blackheads, etc. And I started to feel it. It was, I don't even know, it felt like the microdermabrasion, and then it started to feel like a regular gel cleanser. I was like, oh, this is so interesting. And I will say it does give you a bit of a glow. I just noticed that as well. And right when you rinse off your face, it feels like, I don't know, it doesn't feel like there's any residue on your face, but it kind of feels like you took like the tiniest little drop of like oil and kind of press it into your skin. Like when you're like getting rid of all of the cleanser, that's kind of the feeling that it leaves your skin. So I'm super excited about trying this out more, and I wanted to show you guys this because I was so excited to get a box from Influencer, and excited to show you guys. Again, this video is not sponsored or anything. I just received these products for free, and I wanted to show you guys what I got and what I think, first impressions. I will be updating you guys on how it works because I do want to use this more consistently, because like what I was saying, I don't really have a really good cleanser at the moment. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I do have another really fun skincare video to show you guys, and I'm so excited for it. I also have a giveaway coming up. My 100th video is coming up super close, so don't forget to hit that bell so you get notified of all of my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.